So just noticing the change in patterns of the world around us and in us. The weather going through its cycles. It seems like we're almost in a modified summer type pattern here now, without the extremes of super high temperatures, but this cycle of slowly building heat until it gets quite warm during the day, and then often followed by a period of kind of cloudy, cool, drizzly, light rain. We don't usually get any rain in the summer, but it goes through this cooling, heating patterns based on how the warm air pulls in cool air from the coast to modify the heat over a period of a week or two. So just watching how it waxes and wanes, the temperatures go up, they go down, the cycles of nature, and the cycles in our own hearts and minds do the same kind of thing, go through different patterns depending on what's coming up as vipaka, resultant kamma, how we attend to our moods and perceptions. Things fluctuate, change. But what we can always tune into is that still center of knowing, that as we get more adept at seeing it and tapping into it, get a stronger sense of stability, and that there is an unchanging way of viewing, of being with, of attending to, of tapping into that still center that is stable, which is just that basic quality of awareness, of knowing mind. That can be done any time, even when we're moving around, doing something repetitive like washing the dishes or some simple activity. It's a great place to just stay in that still center, watch the patterns as they rise and fall. So we have the capacity to tap into that and act from that when we need to, letting our actions arise with mindfulness, skillfulness, clarity of attention, so that when we do say something or when we act on some sort of need to respond, that we do so with a sense of heedfulness of what we say, what we do is going to be skillful, useful, and not causing suffering to ourselves or others. And then when we do what we need to do, we say what we need to say, or perform some sort of action that we need to do, and it has its result, then we stop and retreat back into that quality of stillness, so that whatever comes up next we can try and respond in just as skillful a way as possible. So just returning to that sense, sense of clarity, stillness, and knowing as we go throughout the day.